Hello guys, how are you today? In this video I will tell you how we can fix our scratches on Quest 2 lenses. So it's very easy. What if we cannot get any one scratch in our VR headset and we save our eyes too? So you need to put plastic glasses on lenses like I did. One little bit black glass and one little bit green glass. You can able to use it and you will not having any problem, any scratches problem on it. It save your glasses, also save your eyes. Save your eyes for play more and more games in Quest to spend more and more time in VR. It save your 80% eyes in VR, also your child eyes. Very good tip for you. Don't ignore it, use it. Thanks for watching.